Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to transfer WhatsApp chats to PDF. First, what you need to do is export your chats, and in order to do that, open your WhatsApp and go to the chat that you want to export. Click on three dots over here and click on more. After that, you'll see an option here called export chat. Simply click on it and click with or without media. That you'll be able to extract a file over here, and it will be in zip form. After you downloaded it, go to your WPS Office. After you've downloaded the file, go to WPS Office and you'll see your chat over here. It will be in zip form, so open that zip file, and here you can click on share, and you will see an option called share as PDF over here. Click on share as PDF and toggle this option on. Click on basic, export to PDF. Your chat will be converted to PDF file. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.